Hi everyone, welcome back to the shop. Well, guys, over the past couple of months things have been coming in and the power has been piling up, and this is stuff that folks have sent in and different suppliers have sent in for reviews. So I decided I need to really get to this and start working through some of this stuff. So you remember my last video was the Kenwood repeater that belonged to a local trustee here in town, and just before that video went live, I had it already uploaded on YouTube and a time set for it to come out. We had a storm come through, and the storm did quite a bit of damage here at the shop. Took the whole roof covering off the front side of the shop, so I had to get that replaced. The telephone pole that holds the big high gain TH6DXX antenna, it went over into the pole rested up against the side of the garage. The top set of guide wires on the tower snapped. It sheared off the bolts that hold the sections together and had the top half of the tower leaning over at about 15 degrees or so almost like lost the tower. And we had a couple of trees come down, so I've been working on getting all that cleaned up. About got things back together here, but then some health issues come up, so been kind of out of the shop a bit, not out here as much as I like to be, but things are getting better. Still have some more tests to have run and this and that, but we'll get through it. Shouldn't be no problem, I hope. But anyway, as you, like I said, you can see stuff has been built up quite a bit, and I'm gonna go ahead and just start with one piece in this video, and it's going to be a quick short video. So after we take a look at this, we're going to give this piece of equipment away. So guys, this item is called the WSPR Beacon, and this was sent in from our friends over at Banggood to have a look at free of charge. And we'll open this up and see what it is. What we have here is the WSPR Beacon, and that's exactly what it is a beacon. We have a USB charging cable. This is a GPS antenna, and the little unit itself. So we open this up. You can see what it is. Have our USB connector here, GPS antenna plugged in here, and then your outside antenna plugs here. On the other side we have some LEDs and off on switch. In this bag we have the actual GPS antenna. So what do you do with this thing? Well, you know, in the ham field it's called a WSPR, WSPR, but this is a great device to check your antenna at your station. You can go on the website here and download their program and manual, and you can run this on your computer to set it up. Hook your antenna up here, put this GPS antenna on it, try to get it outside somewhere, and this is a low power transmitter. So what it'll actually do is send out your call sign information on low power, and you can go back and look at a map and see everywhere that your call has been recorded. And it's really great for testing out your antenna to see just how good your antenna is working. So not only that, But you know, if you want to check propagation on a certain band, you can plug this thing in and let it run and go back and look at your signal, and you know where your propagation is running at. So it's a very, very helpful little tool if you don't have one. Now, I do have one. It's a different brand than this one, so I'm not going to hook this up and initialize it with my call or nothing in it. So that way when we give this thing away, it'll be a good clean unit and a clean install. So this unit was sent in from my buddy over at Banggood, and he's even given me a discount code that I'll link below, so you can use that to purchase this at a discounted price. So I'll have that down below, so check it out. And like I said, we're going to in this video we're going to give this thing away. So if you would like to have one, you know, make a comment down below that you'd like to have it, and we'll ship this thing out to you. So looking here at Banggood's website, you can see this unit here is a WSPR transmitter with TCXO and GPS for stable frequency sync, auto QTH locator, 23 dB output, and it comes in black. This thing is $39.99. You can see everything there that comes with it. So if you're interested in one of them, click the link down under the Show More tab and pick you up one. Like I said, it's a great tool to have in any ham shack. So using the software, you can see the station over here is using it, and you can see just how many contacts he was able to get using the WSPR Beacon. And like I say, it's a great way to check your antenna or to check propagation. So we'll do a quick little teardown. So as you can see, just like a lot of the radio receivers out that you buy, this just has a microcontroller that basically controls everything. We have a TCXO, there's a battery on board, and a few other little small pieces. You can see the antenna connection where they connect to the board here underneath, and that's pretty much all she wrote. There's a couple of LEDs down here, but yeah, it's a very nice looking laid out circuit board. So you know guys, if I didn't already have one, I would definitely keep this for myself and use it, but thanks to my friends over at Banggood, they sent it in and at no charge, and I'm going to give it away. So guys, like I say, if you want to check your antenna out or check on propagation, this is the ticket for it. It's great. The good thing about it, you can hook it up, let it run overnight, get up the next day, check it out, and see what's going on and see just how good your antenna is working. Anyway, thanks to friends over at Banggood for sending this in. Like I say, if you would like to win this in the giveaway, just leave your comment down below that you'd like to have it. If you'd like, just go ahead and buy one in case you don't win it the giveaway. Click on the link under the Show More tab, and that'll take you to the site on Banggood so that you can get one of these. Anyway guys, leave your comments down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye now.